Hey y'all, it's Crystal Carter. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to slay the curls on your lace wig using a barrel curler. Let's get into it. So first you want to start by making sure your frontal is completely flat. So I'm going to take a piece. I'm going to use my straightening comb. Make sure it's bone straight at the root and finish it off with the flat iron just to make sure everything is straight and it'll be flat when you wear the wig. Then I'm going to get into the curls. I'm using a 1-inch barrel curling iron. And I like to wrap the hair as I'm spinning the barrel. It helps to keep the curl nice and tight so that you'll see at the end of the video when I comb the curls out, you'll still have a nice tight wave pattern.
But feeling like I'm all alone, you don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over.
So as you can see, I like to hold the hair onto the barrel curler for a couple of seconds just to spread the heat evenly. And as I said, the longer you hold the barrel curler on the hair, the longer your curl will last. And you want to repeat this process until you get all the way to the top of your wig.
These voices, now I got these voices in my head, baby, I can focus, feels like I've been hypnotized, I'm terrified of losing you,
So when I make my parts, I like to use about a 1-inch part when I curl. So that's about 2 or 3 wefts at a time.
Walking on fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices.
Let's not forget that we want to use our heat protectant spray when using any heated styling tools just to protect your hair or your wig from any type of heat damage. And one light mist is perfect.
But feeling like I'm all alone, you don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go.
So in the back of the wig, I like to curl all of the curls in the same direction. It gives it an even look and an even flow.
Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby, I can focus, feels like I've been hypnotized, I'm terrified of losing you. to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized.
So as you can see, when I get to the sides of the wig, I like to curl the curls going the opposite direction of your face to give you the full Farrah Fawcett kind of look. So I'm gonna take the curlers and I'm gonna curl away from the face. You wanna keep the curl as tight as possible so that the curls will last. I smash it to set the curl and I drop it.
Walking on fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar.
So as I said before, you want to curl the curls going away from your face. And you see how I push the barrel curler forward a little bit. That's to let the hair fall a little more in your face, to give it kind of a layer bang kind of look. Part a small piece. I flatten it out so that it can be super flat. You want your wig to lay as flat as possible. And I bring the curler forward just a little, and then I curl back.
We could start over, trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you.
So now the curls are complete. I'm gonna go in with my razor comb and I'm gonna trim down just a little bit of baby hair. Little by little. Just to give it a more natural look.
So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby.
And I just cut little piece by piece. Just across the front. And once you cut the baby hair, you can either lay it flat on your forehead, or you can use a product and swoop it into the hairline. Yes, honey. Look at those curls. Bouncy, soft. I mean, you could really wear the curls like this if you want. Super soft.
When you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar, trying not to let my feelings.
So now I'm gonna take my bent brush and I'm gonna gently brush out the curls, giving it a super loose, super pretty, bouncy, loose wave kind of curl. And voila, gorgeous curls. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone.